The Stihl 4 Series ride-on mowers are a great choice for people who have large areas of lawn to maintain, and there's 3 models in the range to choose from. The RT 4082 cut and collect ride-on mower will cut large lawns quickly and comfortably, but is also great in confined areas where it can be easily steered around trees and bushes. The mid-mounted engine provides an unobstructed view for improved visibility too, while covering areas of up to 4,000 square metres. It has an 80 cm mowing deck and a 250 litre grass catcher box, which is really easy to empty. For bigger areas where you don't need to collect the grass, you could take a look at the RT 4097SX, which covers up to 6,000 square metres, or the RT 4112S, which covers an impressive 8,000 square metres. Both feature Briggs Stratton engines and are easy to manoeuvre. On all of the 4 Series ride-on mowers, the controls are within easy reach from the driving seat, even the central cutting height adjustment, and they're all extremely simple to operate too. The seat is also adjustable and spring-loaded for a comfortable drive at all times. To get the best performance from your Stihl ride-on mower, why not try our fuel that's been specifically designed for small 4-stroke engines, Motor 4 Plus. Motor 4 Plus has almost no olefins or aromatic compounds, which means the air you breathe is much cleaner when you're using your ride-on mower, and it's better for the engine too. It's also ethanol-free, so it stays fresher for longer, making it much easier to start the machine after long periods of downtime. All Stihl ride-on mowers come with a 5-year warranty for domestic use, so you can be confident that a Stihl mower is a reliable choice. When using a petrol ride-on lawnmower, always read the manual before use and make sure you use the correct personal protective equipment. With our ride-on mowers, you should be wearing snug-fitting clothes, sturdy footwear and ear defenders.